quality, and I'm not saying that become a quality professional, the quality of the speakers, the quality of the staff and the program, it's been great experience, and I see a lot of people are engaged, and I think it's because of the quality of the work and quality of the people that are involved.
Overall, I took a lot out of it. I think the most important pieces are, without digitalization, there's no future manufacturing. The other important thing is sustainability in all we do must play a very important role, and we must take an even bigger impact of sustainability into all our businesses.
Very well. I like a lot the time as well for networking in between, where people come and we can just sort of, they approach me clearly at this moment, but I have as well already a long list of people I would like to approach. And now it's very nice to have this very good balance between presentations and talks, but as well to have enough time for the networking. Well done.
So yeah, I think this event is really well organized. Thank you very much to the organizers here. I really enjoy. The location is great. Everything works very well. I love the app. So we are definitely going into digital tools here.
It's a great experience to be there, because we have the advantage to meet people that we never known before, and the objective is to share, as I said just before, and also to keep some links, because we have to let continue the adventures that we have thanks to the summit today, and to let continue the sharing beyond this summit.
It's amazing to come in a place and meet people who share the same genuine passion for manufacturing. It's really amazing. I also appreciated the number of female who were here. You know, this is back to the myth. I mean, we are a few now in senior positions. That's great. And another thing, a takeaway from this summit is that now, you know, we discussed many technical topics, but there was a lot of attention to people, a lot of attention on how we can win our battles, winning the hearts of people. This, I think, was a common topic across all the presentations, and I think it's super important.
In one word, I would say inspiration. I found a lot of ideas, a lot of initiatives, and really it's open eyes for me. It's a lot of inspiration for myself and for my company as well.
One unique one unique topic here is the networking. There is always enough time and space for getting connected and networking after great presentations, so you can have a deep dive with the presenters in great discussions, just what I had experienced now after these great 2 presentations or 3 presentations what we had in the morning. We had immediately involvement and could engage and let's say dig deeper into the topic.
There isn't a piece of the event that I'm not excited to attend. So there is a person who's going to be talking about healthcare challenges today. I'm here to serve the healthcare community, and then tomorrow there are so many different people and opportunities to speak about projects that they're working on. There isn't an event that I'm trying to miss. It's all 100% commitment and connection. So thank you for inviting me.
I would say it's the diversity of the people in this room. They're from many different industries and many different backgrounds. I do think that is very valuable, but also the quality of the presentation. So what I've seen is really top-notch, high quality.